One of the most annoying things about creating your own website is setting it up to work with a domain name. A lot of people confuse their domain name with their website itself. A domain name, however, is not a website. It's just the short name someone puts into a web browser to find a website online. Most people prefer a .com domain name as it's the most common. However, there are many other top-level domain extensions that could be used like .net, .org, and so on. WebStarts is different from other website builders because you don't need to do anything to configure a domain name to work with your website. You just register the domain name through WebStarts and it automatically resolves to your website. To add a domain name to your WebStarts website, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Add Domain button in the dashboard view. Step 2. Be sure to select the Register a New Domain tab. Step 3. Enter the domain name you'd like to use for your website into the input field and click the search button. Step 4. If your domain name is available, you'll see a message that says, "Congratulations, your domain name is available." You'll then click Continue. If your desired domain name is not available, try entering another domain name into the input field or select one of the suggested domains. Step 5. If you haven't already done so, select a WebStarts subscription plan and proceed through checkout. WebStarts paid subscription plans include a domain name for the first year. Note: you must be on a paid subscription plan even if you're using a domain name registered with another provider and are connecting it to your WebStarts website. Step 6. Once you've completed checkout for your paid subscription, your domain name will be configured to work with your website. It may take up to a couple of minutes before your domain name resolves. That's it! Just one of the many ways WebStarts makes creating a custom website easy.